Welcome back, creators. Let's actually create a form or a landing page instead of our form. As we found out, if I go back to my forms here, and for those of you that don't know, this is actually Coach O'Malley, which is the demo account we're in. He is my 100% assistant and decided I needed some help when I created this next video. But as we saw in this form version with the image, when we have text like this, it's too much. What I should do in this particular form is get rid of that all and then just keep this truly super simple. So to the KISS approach, keep it super simple. We have this big long title, which really could even be shortened up. Join the advanced kit and group support. Join the advanced course waitlist. There we go. That is more appropriate when we are doing a form like this. And so we have this. We're going to do just a drop down for that. So we are choosing that one because there aren't two options. And yep, then we just have them clicking the join list. So if I go back and preview this again, so if we typed in an email address, so support, and then join, yep, I want that, and I join that list, and away it would go. So I'm going to exit my preview, go back. But now I do want something, whoops, let me save that edit, because I do like it. If I did want to have all that text, we have the alternative option of creating what is known as a landing page. So if you think about the services or courses you've signed up in the past, often you get sent to just a very simple page where it has a bit of content, maybe a video up at the top, maybe it has just some of the details, so like down here. But we don't have a ton of information. It's not branded with your website. It's 100% just a landing page, keeping it, again, super simple. So I am actually going to go with, let's see here, because I did create that video or that image. So I am going to go with this one, and instead of having a video up at the top for the moment, I'm just going to embed an image there. So here again, I have my content created. I am this time going to grab this entire thing. I can then go up here, and what you're going to notice is this is often like a subheading that is going to group who this is for, and then this down here would be your heading 1 type thing. So this up here, I maybe in my case join wait list, and then I can come in here. We can get rid of some of that. So join waitlist now, or something along those lines. Instead of this video, let's see if I can we can get rid of that. So if I click down here, oh, nope, this one does not allow me to replace that video, which is fine. I just know that we would need to create an actual video to embed there. And then going down here, I could then add my content. So if I go back here, and this is where playing around with the different templates is crucial. Finding the ones that you like, finding the ones that have the options that you prefer. Here I can get rid of that extra content. We have that. Join the waitlist. And we have that. We're capturing the email there. Don't have any additional details, do I? I don't think I do. We could add the subheading down there if we wanted. So there, we got that. Elevate your course experience with exclusive. There we go. Training. Excellent. And I can go grab my image. So I already have it uploaded, so we do have access to the library that we have there. And so we've got just a nice little image at the bottom then, which we can edit, we can optimize, we can go in here, we could make it smaller if we wanted, flip it if we needed to, whatever the case might be. So in this case, I do need to now go create a video that I would embed, which would be wonderful because talking about what actually this training offers. So this is a very nice, easy to use, easy to create. You saw it literally took, what, 3 minutes because I already had my content created. I had my image generated, and now I can just go out here, go to my settings. Here again, we want them to check your email and spam folder to confirm your subscription. My domain name, I'm going to put it there again. Here again, it is the waitlist LP is what I like to abbreviate that as. We can get in here again, edit that email, advanced, and then we can always get into, in this case, we end up with some SEO and analytical information. So if you wanted to do some of those integrations, we can talk about that one-on-one, but you do need to have these set up in order for that to work. Now I'm going to save this and publish it. So here I have, I'm just going to grab the URL, go to a new page. Got it. And here we go. And here it is. Very clean, very easy to use. And now I can just go in here, sign up for this at my support email address, and I am in. Very simple. Go check my email. And I could definitely do that now. I hope that has helped. And there are, if we go back to the app here, let me go back to this page. If we go into create more landing pages, we have all sorts of different options here. So if you are looking to advertise a podcast, we have templates for that where you can just plug and play your information. We have for videos. I mean, it's wonderful if we're just giving a link to something. It truly, this is the template for the links page, which I will talk about here in a little bit. And actually here, I should have gone to this one right off the bat. This is a waitlist one. So 100% would have been on task with it, which I guess I did grab one that fit into that category. So anyway, thank you so much. I hope to see you in the next video.